Why people love the Philippines. We travel all over the world, 18 years, 73 countries so far, and we keep going back to the Philippines. I'll share why we love the Philippines as we show you video we took here the last few weeks. I talk to expats all over the world. They tell me what they love about various countries as compared to others. The Philippines is not the only place we love, and not the only place we keep returning to. That's why we keep traveling. But like you, we love some places more than others. So when we miss a certain part of the world, we go back to our favorites. We average between 6 to 8 countries per year, but we don't fly home between countries, we keep moving forward. People are attracted to different countries based on what they love most. Some countries have deep and ancient cultural roots that have survived the ages. So even when those countries fall from grace, those attractions often remain. Other countries are better known for their culinary expertise, such as wine, food, dairy products. Just the thought of my favorite dishes around the world will make my taste buds dance and my mouth water. The unique combination of wonders many places possess has never failed to amaze me. So no, the Philippines are not the only place we love, but memories of our time here bring us back when we long for combinations of things only she can give us. Other places have bits and pieces of her, but can never serve up the unique combination that is the Philippines. You may not fall in love with the same things we have in the Philippines. In fact, that's what is amazing about each country around the world. We are each drawn to different things. You may love a country for a different reason than me, or not at all. That is for you to discover. First, I'll tell you why other expats say they love the Philippines, and then I'll tell you mine. Love. We meet men all over the Philippines who've moved here to find love. Men in the sunset years of their lives come here to find love. And many do find love and never leave. Others leave before love finds them. Love is the reason we hear most. It's easy to stay. The second biggest reason we hear is that it's one of the easiest countries to come to and decide to never leave. Tourists can come and stay for up to 36 months before they have to leave the Philippines on a visa run. And after a visa run, they can return for 36 more months. Friendly people. The third reason expats love the Philippines is because of the smiles on the Filipino and Filipina faces. The people here are authentically happy and kind to others. That may not sound like much, but in a world that grows more complex daily, smiles go a very long way. Living costs. The fourth biggest reason expats tell us they love the Philippines is the reasonable cost of living. Many expats say they can live a good life on $2,000 a month. Some say they can live here on $1,500 a month, and a few say they can live here on less than $1,000 per month. Many also say it was cheaper here a few years ago, but that seems to be happening all over the world. Okay, nature. Nature is the fifth biggest reason expats say they love living in the Philippines. There are over 7,000 islands in the Philippines. Many of those islands are in remote locations, great distances from where people live. The islands we are showing you now are in the most eastern part of the Philippines, in the northern part of a large island called Palawan. We are showing you our video from this 4-day, 4-night remote island tour. We took this remote island tour 3 years ago. We loved it so much, we're back to take it again. In a moment, I'll share more about that tour. Whenever we need the unique combination of natural beauty that is the Philippines, we come back to get our fix. So what is that unique natural beauty we return to enjoy? It is remote islands with white sand beaches and turquoise water. It is the floral coral reefs of vibrant colors swarmed by colorful fish of all shapes and sizes. It is sharp, rugged cliffs cutting open clouds so you can see the blue skies. It is volcanoes pushing up from the ocean floor, creating mountain islands with steep terrains where rivers fall off cliffs into large pools surrounded by jungles. And yes, it's a place where you need only a smile to open the hearts of people in the Philippines. So for us, it is the people and the nature forged from lava from the center of the earth that warms our hearts whenever we remember what we miss most about the Philippines. And the video I share with you today was and is our favorite part of the Philippines. In the last 5 years, we've spent a couple of those years traveling all over the Philippines. So we return again to enjoy our favorite remote island adventure in the world called the Tao Experience. You can just Google it and read about it yourself. But while we're here, we will also visit another of our favorite places in the Philippines along with 2 new cities. We will be sharing those with you over the next few videos, so stay tuned for that. And now I'll show you a little bit more about this beautiful place in the world called the Tao Experience. Jung's filming the dog. He'll be the highlight of this trip for a lot of energy, very young dog. This is our boat we're on. So you can get a feel for it. And the nights we sleep in the camps. This is the boat that we take to go between camps during the day and to go snorkeling.
This is our first night camp and it's new. We never been to this campsite.
Yeah, and this is the Tao Experience. Second time we did it 3 years ago.
Yeah.
From 𝐿 to Coron, and now we're doing it Coron to 𝐿.
Food is still very, very good. I have double meal for everything. Tea, coffee, lunch. I have two time everything.
And we're in a bamboo hut just like last time with right on the water. So there you go. Here's the bamboo roof hut, and there's the water. So this is the view from our hut. The sunrise will come up tomorrow morning directly in front of us here. And as you can see, it's a beautiful setting. And these are the huts on the beach here. And this is where we're sitting. This is our palace.
Yes.
Our palace.
Welcome to our palace. My hand is touching in the end.
For the first night.
Yeah.
Amazing, huh?
They will fix it later.
Yeah, they'll make our bed for us and mosquito net.
Yes.
Very cool.
Let's go for
This free ebook shares everything I've learned about remaining safe living overseas for the last 18 years. To get a free copy, either scan this QR code with your smartphone or click the second link in the notes below this YouTube video.
So this is our second night here, and this is our second night. Base camp is one of the bigger campsite for the Taos.
Yeah.
And behind us is all the hut.
The tents, yeah.
Yeah. Follow dance, and we will see to go to our campfire site and our big dining room. So there is a big dining place here, and there is a campfire site. This is a special place for the smoking area. It's beautiful. This is our second night, thanks, and we are leaving today to the third one. Then is having a coffee with very nice view. Wow, there's the boat over there. It's very far away. I need to swim. Everyone is out there for snorkeling. It's quite far away. I'm tired, so I'm coming back first. This is the third day, and everyone is choose to relax. This is our third night campsite.
Yeah.
Then having a coffee here. Want to show us the coffee place?
Sure.
Oh, cool.
Morning.
It's a very nice place. Wow, very nice decorations here.
Yeah, the palm. They turned it into art.
Yeah.
They arted with nature. You good? Oh, one bite. Okay.
This side is good for the sunrise view, and what we choose over there is good for sunset view. That's my food here, and then have vegetarian versions. Nice. Good morning. It's our fortnight here.
Fourth day, yeah.
4 days, yeah. We were going to another campsite for the sleeping.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is one of the beautiful white sand beaches here, and it's great because our last night here we are in the white sand place.
That's gorgeous.
Yeah.
And there's coral right off the sand.
Yeah.
Which is why there's white sand. Coral is the source of white sand.
And it's beautiful place. Having my coffee. We have a coconut with the oat milk for breakfast.
Breakfast of the gods.
I woke up because we have a friend.
You put a lot of oat milk.
I did.
He was like a fairy.
Very nice. We have a coffee.
Yeah?
Then 2 coffee, huh?
Hey Jackson.
Hello, good morning.
How are you?
Good. Coffee time.
You sleep good?
Yeah, of course, always.
In the Philippines you have to sleep good here. Looks like something's being cooked. Banana. And there's a chef, Nora. Very cool.
You find it working last night?
Oh, fan is working.
Yeah, we didn't use it, huh? No
We
fan.
use it, that automatic.
Oh, you had it on?
It's automatic turn on.
Oh.
By them,
Oh.
not by us.
Oh.
Sunrise view here. Very nice. Free coffee, free coffee. Do you want free coffee?
Free or included?
Free. I'll make it free for you.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. You want more?
Sure.
A coconut for today.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. So everyone will have a coconut in the morning, huh?
Coconut breakfast.
Coconut breakfast.
Yeah, this is what the Tao experience is really all about. It's about wagging your tail when you're not on the internet. I love this. I think they call these Jack Russells, but our first Tao experience had a Jack Russell, but this is not the same one. They've got the winning formula here. For my best tips and tricks to save money slow traveling the world, click the video in the upper right-hand corner of your screen right now.